So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to control Vizio Soundbar with phone, Vizio mobile app and Bluetooth volume. So fix one is prepare your soundbar and phone. Ensure the Vizio soundbar is powered on. Turn on Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on your mobile device. For iPhone user, enable location network permission for the Vizio app in phone setting. Second fix is put the soundbar in pairing mode. Ensure the soundbar is powered on. Press and hold the power Bluetooth button on the soundbar or remote for about 5 seconds. Look for LED indicator on the front of the soundbar to confirm pairing mode. Indicator will light up and blink sequentially or blink rapidly blue while in pairing mode. Third fix is connect via the Vizio mobile app. Open the Vizio mobile app on your phone. The app will automatically scan for nearby device. Tap on your Vizio soundbar for the list of discovered device. Follow any additional on-screen prompt to complete the pairing. Fourth fix is control your soundbar. Adjust volume, bass, treble, dialogue and height level. Change audio input, example Bluetooth, HDMI and optical. Manage playback for streaming audio directly from your phone. Thanks for watching.